Alright, you guys, this is your boy Wide with Money Genie FX, and what you guys looking at right now, this is me live trading Forex. And for those of you who don't know who this is me, okay, Wide, and I have a YouTube channel called Money Genie FX, and I'll be posting videos on how I trade, how much money I made daily. So far today, I already made $200 from my real account, and this account right now, the one that you're looking at right now, is a demo account. So I'm gonna go in and show it to you, and as you guys can see on the side, it says demo account, and the broker I'm using is Hugo's Way. They're really good, guys. And let me go in and show you my live account. This is another broker that I'm using. This is code 4. As you can see, it's a live account. Okay, all right, and I'm already done trading today. So this is how much money I made today. So I deposited $1,000, which is yesterday, and I made $198 today. So I'm trying to make at least $250 a day, because I'm just trying to use this as like a daily job. It's not like I'm trying to make $1,000 every day. So I'm gonna grow this account with you guys, and like I said, this is a live account, okay? Code Live 3. So I'm gonna be trading every day, showing you guys how you can actually make $250 trading Forex. Just doing that a day, and then for the whole week you'll see how much money you made. Okay, so I don't have a lot of time, guys. I just wanted to shoot this little short video, and I'm also taking a challenge with True Priority Fund, and they give me phase 1. So I'm also trading with them, so I'm in profit in all of my accounts, guys. Demo, the challenge that I'm taking, which is $10,000. So I only take a couple trades. So this is my profit. So I lost a couple trades yesterday. So yesterday wasn't a good day for me. So I stopped. So now I come back today. So we'll see. All right. So I'm gonna keep you guys informed. And if you guys need any information on how to trade, how to do everything, I got you guys. Just put anything in the comment down below. And I've been trading for 3 years. I stopped and go back at it. So now I have kids, so I have means, so I'm back at it. All right, peace.